What's up everybody, my name is Centrix and welcome to another Green Hell video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of parasites. Now as you can see here, right here on the bottom left corner of your screen, you can see the parasites, and you can, you get them if you eat uncooked meat or you eat something while your hands are dirty. Oh shit. Oh, fuck's sake, man. Boom, bitch. Die. So, as I was saying, you get the parasites if you eat something while you're dirty, and then you can get rid of them if you eat these orange mushrooms, just like this. Oh wow, I really just ate that and got a parasite because I have dirty hands, and I ate with dirty hands. But yeah, if you clean yourself up, you should be fine. Don't really want to be too heavy right now. Jesus. Okay. I mean, yeah. So if you're still dirty, you want to go to some kind of water, wash yourself off, and now you can eat these mushrooms. Yeah, and you're good to go. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.